Hello everyone. In Touchnotes, now you can save specific zoom levels and also you can reset your location. I will show how you can do that. Some people like this zoom level. Let's say someone like 100% zoom level. Now you can save it. All you have to do is press the triangle here and add. Now you have saved the zoom level. If you want to save more, just go ahead and select the zoom level like 125%. I'll save and do it again, add 125% here, and I'll add one more, this zoom level, let's say 190%, 189. Okay, added 2. Now let's say you are at any specific zoom level right now. All you can do is select the zoom level you want to go, like 100%. It will automatically take you to the specific zoom level. If you want to go to 125%, click on it. Same for 189%. So this was how you can save zoom levels, and now it has become easier to switch zoom levels. Rather, it was difficult previously to manually set the zoom levels, so this is a good feature. The reset location feature is good in infinite notes. Like, I will add a note, let's say new, and if you are working here, like, let's write something, Parker solar mission, and by mistake you press somewhere else, or you lost where you were writing and you continue to search and you don't find where you were writing, all you have to do is touch this reset location and you will be at right place. It will take you to the location you were writing. So this is a very necessary feature.